This little box right here is the ASUS PN62S, an ultra-compact mini PC. Small in size but big in performance. You can get it in either an Intel Core i3, i5 or i7 configuration. Now, why would you want a PC this small instead of a desktop or laptop? Well, let's find out. The ASUS PN62S that was sent over is equipped with a 10th gen Intel Core i5 processor with Intel UHD graphics, 8GB of DDR4 memory and 256GB of storage. Despite the compact size, it has a full array of I/O ports for all your connectivity needs. What's extra cool is that they have a configurable port at the back that you can set to a variety of options such as USB-C, HDMI or Ethernet depending on your use case. Since this PC is not in your typical design, you also have some interesting non-typical features. Firstly, upgradability. Thankfully, ASUS has put a lot of thought into this and we don't have to tear the whole machine apart to upgrade the components. Instead, all you have to do is remove the bottom screws and slide the case out to expose the upgradable storage and memory modules. Secondly, mounting options. Since it's so small and box-shaped, you can literally put it anywhere, but one of the best options with this PC is mounting it behind your monitor. This results in a very sleek and minimalistic setup. Now, before I get into some practical use cases for this PC, let me share with you how I've been using it for the last few weeks. Continuing with the theme of portability, I'm pairing the ASUS PN62S with the ZenScreen OLED portable display, ROG Falcon Ice and ROG Keris wireless aimpoint. An ultra portable setup that doesn't really make any sense, but I've really enjoyed using it at random corners of my studio. And for those wondering, I did game a little bit on it. Realistically speaking, the GPU will not be able to handle heavy games, but I managed to play a bit of Valorant. However, I gotta say that despite being playable, it's probably not the best use of this mini PC. So who is it for then? I can think of two excellent use cases. The first one are businesses that want a clean computer setup on the desk. Since the PC is so small and can be mounted behind the monitor, you can have a clear desk with minimal cables running above or under the desk to maximize your workspace. The second one are consumers that want to run a server at home. Whether it's a backup server or a media server, the PN62S is perfect because of its size, minimal noise level and low power consumption. Unlike those single board computers, everything you need to run a server is already included here. Lastly, I'd like to quickly mention about the ASUS Corporate Stable model, which is an initiative designed to provide businesses with stable product supply and enhanced after-sales support. On top of that, you can be sure that this is a reliable PC because it has been through rigorous testing such as vibration, temperature, and noise testing. Alright, let's conclude this video. The ASUS PN62S is an excellent mini PC for a certain group of people. If you need something small, quiet, and consumes minimal power, this PC excels in all of those areas. For everyone else, you might be better off with a normal sized desktop or even a laptop. So that's it for this video. Purchase links are in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye!